Hi, this is Rith from Real Men Outdoors, and while we wait for the salmons to return, we'll be heading indoors today. This was my to-do list until my wife made it her honey-do list. So the first item for 2017 is to fix the pantry door. The door is not closing because it's not aligned with the opening and is hitting the frame. The door is out of alignment because the lower screw holes are stripped out, causing the hinge to be loose. The tools you will need are a pair of snippers, wood glue, wooden toothpicks, and a Phillips screwdriver. The first step is to remove the screws. Next you'll need to cut the toothpicks. I'm using 2 toothpicks, but one will work just fine. I find that cutting the toothpicks into 3 parts works well. Next you'll apply a generous amount of wood glue on the toothpicks. Spread the glue out with your fingers, then insert the toothpicks into the holes. Once the glue is dried up, trim the excess toothpick as flush as you can with the door surface. The last step is to put the screws back in. As you can see now, the door opens and closes as it should.